Come on, kids. Time for our routine checkup.
Yay! We're going to see Dr. Ashish.
Yes, Akshit. Let's go.
We have reached Dr. Ashish's clinic.
Yes, Akshit. Look, Akshit, there's a toy corner.
Oops. Mom, why did he say oops?
It's an interjection. We use words like oops to express sudden feeling.
Ouch!
Mom, why did he say ouch? It's another interjection. Ouch is used to express pain.
Yuck!
Mom, why did he say yuck?
It's a disgusting interjection. We use it when something is disgusting. Wow! You both just used the word wow. Do you know it's also an interjection word? It expresses amazement or admiration.
Hush, little one.
Mom, what does hush mean? Hush is an interjection used to tell someone to be quiet.
Hello, Akshit and Janvi. Ready for your checkup?
Yes, Dr. Ashish.
All done. You both are very healthy.
Thank you, Dr. Ashish.
That was fun. And we learned about interjections.
Yes, oops, yuck, hush, wow, and ouch are so interesting.